Remove the red cap from a new fluid kit. Insert the fluid kit into the filling device by engaging the integral threaded connection and rotate the fluid kit clockwise by hand until it is snug. Do not over-tighten. Install the drive unit on the fluid kit. Rotate the unit until the integral hexagonal drive has been engaged. The spindle of the fluid kit must engage the corresponding socket of the drive unit. Once properly aligned, rotate the threaded ring clockwise until the white triangle is completely visible, indicating correct installation of the drive unit. Remove the micro hose from the case and the protective plastic caps from both ends. Remove the threaded cap of the filling device and attach one end of the micro hose. Remove the sampling adapter and protective cap. Attach the sampling adapter to the remaining free end of the micro hose. Remove the control electronics unit and cable with the M8 4-pin connector from the service kit. Connect this cable to the corresponding M8 4-pin socket of the control electronics unit and the other end to the socket on the drive unit. Remove the pressure switch and connecting cable with larger diameter M12 4-pin connector from the service kit. Connect one end of this cable to the socket on the pressure switch and the other end to the respective socket of the control electronics unit. Remove the power supply plug and connect the cord from the power supply into the remaining socket of the control electronics unit.